Dear children, this week we will draw fruit basket. First, you have to start with a U shape. Deep U you have to put like this, that both the ends should be equal. Then down, lightly you have to extend the line, and then like this small curve you have to put, open curve. Then you have to put straight line and then join the same place. Already we drawn no in that U shape. After that, put like this two curves near by near, like that. Three parallel curves you have to put in this one. After that, in the both edges I told no equal, that one little extra you have to draw lightly slantingly, and then again the same straight line will come. You have to touch the another one end, lightly you have to rise up, and then the first we know that one lightly you have to bend it, that one like a open curve. And after that, nearby another one line you have to do like a basket, next side like this. You have to stop this one, little bend it should be there. After that, we can draw a fruits. First we are drawing we have to join this line, simply U shape, and then it should become the same line. After that, coming the end, it should be bend. In this part, lightly curve and two parallel lines, one single stroke, like a leaf. You have to put a curve, and then middle line, two V shapes. This curve you have to join like this, close curve. Then next fruit, we are drawing the apple, both the curve. In this one, little bit bend, deep you have to put, and then the same that side you draw, no, the same here you have to do. Next, open curve. In this itself only you have to put the stem, and you have to join in the edge, circle. After that, in this part, we are drawing the pomegranate. This also you can join. In this part, lightly like a pot necker you have to draw, and simply zigzag you have to put here. Then in this part, we are drawing the grapes. Put small parallel line, and then this itself you have to draw a V shape, and then put like this oval shapes near by near. You have to draw like this, 2, 3 like that. Then only it's come like a bunches. Deeply you have to put the line. This and all you can erase it. And then here also you can draw. It should be cover the basket. That only I rub the line. Extras also this side you can put. The basket down also it will come. Lightly it should come. Like this, like grapes falling down on the basket, like that we have to draw. Near by near you can draw like this. You have to cover the basket side and all. Then in this part we can draw a orange. Lightly you draw the line. No need to draw a proper line, like a lightly curve lines. and then join in this part. Put like this 2 lines and middle 1 line. Finally stem. Now we finish the drawing, pencil drawing. After that we have to color it. In this basket I am giving brown sketch, dark I am giving for outline. Basket fully we have to draw with a brown sketch. Apple outside red sketch and stem brown, like the mango yellow and then stem brown, leaf and all dark green you have to give. The pomegranate you have to give the red, and then the curves you have to put properly. Grapes outline green, orange I gave outline orange color, and the stem brown I gave. This one green you have to give the same oval shapes. After finishing the sketch, you have to give mango yellow color. Fully lightly you have to give on the light shade. After giving yellow, down you have to give a light green. After that, in the top you have to give a red. Don't give fully, lightly you have to give. After that you have to merge the color with your finger down itself. The green, yellow and then red, it should mingle. Pomegranate you can give red light. After pomegranate, here you have to give white shade lightly. Then apple you have to give down and red. Down red, the same curve position you have to give the red color crayons, and here you can give a yellow lightly. Then you have to merge the color down itself. If you merge and all, it will come easily. After finishing the apple, next orange you have to give. One side lightly you can give the orange, and other side you have to give the yellow. See grapes, one side only in this curve you have to finish, and one side you have to leave it white. Like this, all the grapes like this you have to do. After coloring green, in this white we left that place, and simply one stroke you put yellow. Use your finger and merge the color. And then after finishing the fruit coloring, you have to down you have to put like this straight line in the basket. Then like this straight line. This brown color give it here, and then next yellow ochre you have to give in this part, and then in this checked I put left to right you have to put like this slipping line strokes all the boxes. Don't put fully shading, left to right like this, how I am doing like that. Don't fill it fully, like the same all the boxes you have to fill it. Now we finish at the basket. Like this you have to do a basket, different basket also, different fruits also. You can color it and draw nicely. Thank you children. Have a nice day.